Did you know that the very skincare routine that you swear by could be causing more harm than good? Hi, I'm Dr. Angeline Yong, board certified dermatologist, and welcome back to my channel. In this ensuing video, we will be talking about one critical factor, your skin barrier. So, what exactly is your skin barrier? The skin barrier is the outermost layer of the skin, also known as the stratum corneum. So this protects your skin against environmental aggressors like irritants, pollutants, and harmful UV rays. It also prevents harmful microorganisms from getting into the skin and is your natural protective layer. So when the skin barrier is damaged or compromised, it can give rise to certain things such as allergies, skin irritation like eczema, and also certain skin infections. Overdoing your skincare routine can give rise to more harm than good by compromising your skin barrier. So what are the common mistakes that can give rise to a disrupted skin barrier? So here are 3 common mistakes. Firstly, over-exfoliation. So if you over-scrub or over-exfoliate your skin overzealously by removing a lot of the dead skin cells, it may actually disrupt your natural skin barrier, giving rise to very dry, sensitive skin. It may also give rise to increased breakouts, counterintuitive to what exfoliation is meant for. Second, using too many active ingredients all at once. Now sometimes while certain potent ingredients are really great at doing certain functions in the skin, such as retinols or retinoids, AHAs, BHAs, PHAs to name a few, as well as also using vitamin C, overdoing it and also stacking too many of these products at the same time may also give rise to increased sensitivity and irritation. Lastly, overwashing. Just like over-exfoliation, overwashing can also be harmful to your skin, giving rise to increased dryness and sensitivity by stripping your skin of its natural oils. How do we know if your skin barrier could potentially be damaged? Firstly, it could be prone to redness and irritation. Secondly, you could also feel increased itch or increased burning sensation on your skin when applying certain products. Thirdly, you could also have persistent flaking and scaling on the skin, really pointing towards irritation and dryness. And lastly, you could also have a very tight sensation after washing your face as well. These are some of the signs and symptoms you should look out for if you think that your skin barrier might be compromised. So if you are experiencing any of these signs or symptoms, it may be time to rethink your skincare routine or seek professional advice from a dermatologist. So how do you protect and repair your skin barrier? Here are 4 simple tips to help you to do so. Firstly, keep your skincare routine simple. Sometimes less is more. So keep your skincare routine back to the basics. Use a simple cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen if you're outdoors. Overzealous use of multiple ingredients can give rise to skin allergies, so sometimes when there's a compromised skin barrier, it is better to pare back to the basics. Second, incorporate barrier repairing ingredients such as ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide, just to name a few. These ingredients or molecules can help to strengthen and fortify your skin barrier. Third, avoid over-exfoliation. Keep exfoliation down to 1 or 2 times a week depending on your skin condition. You can choose between a chemical or physical exfoliant, but it's important not to overdo it. Lastly, it is also important to patch test new products. Patch testing is highly recommended if you have more sensitive skin type, and applying it to a small area of your skin such as the neck or inner upper arm can help you test these products before you apply it to bigger areas of your face. Remember, your skin barrier is your best friend when it comes to having a healthy, glowing skin. Treat it kindly and it will do the same for you. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting dermatological content.